Good morning, welcome to another video. My name is Loice. If you watched my video on acne, which is the acne caused by mask, you would know I've been struggling with acne last year, end of last year, November into December, January, well, into the beginning of this year. So I've managed to clear my skin mostly, and it's been a journey, and I think I can finally say that I have managed to get things under control. So full disclosure, I don't know what caused the acne. I don't know. I just woke up one day and I had one pimple. I started going to the gym with my sister at F45, and I thought it was because of we were sanitizing the machines and the weights so much that the sanitizer was, I don't know, irritating my skin, but it didn't stop. So I stopped going to the gym. I asked for help on Instagram. I didn't get much, so I embarked on my own personal journey on acne, clearing acne. Well, I'm not new to acne, so this is the second time I've had like a big bout of acne. And the reason actually why I'm doing this video is because when you're going through it with acne, you just feel like an alien. Well, I do feel like I can't recognize the person I'm looking at in the mirror. So this is me, no makeup, no nothing on my face. Let me tell you what I do now to maintain and help continuously clear my skin and make sure nothing comes back. I did see a dermatologist in March or April because I was just over it. I was like, somebody gotta take this away from my face. So some things were recommended by her, which I will share, and other things I have just done my own research and found for myself. So let's begin. So the first thing I do is cleanse my skin. This is in the morning. So I have a different routine in the morning from the one I have at night. So this is my morning routine. First thing I do is I cleanse my skin, which I already have. I wouldn't be doing it here on my desk. So I found this really good product, La Roche-Posay's, oh my god, purifying foaming gel for oily sensitive skin. This has been a great savior because it really cleans your skin, but it doesn't give you that super dry feel on your skin. You feel like your skin has been cleaned properly, but you feel like there's still some suppleness on the skin. So Roche-Posay is more like a scientific, a pharmaceutical, I would say a pharmaceutical product. It's not just a cosmetic range of product, company rather. It's La Roche-Posay Laboratoire Dermatologique. La Roche-Posay Laboratoire Dermatologique, meaning I think dermatology library. So I think they are science-based and backed. So I found them to be basically most of the products in their range are found to be really good. So the Everclear range I think is for acne prone skin and oily skin. So that's what I use to cleanse my skin. And then I go in with the Ren Clean Skincare. So it's clean skincare. Ready Steady Glow Daily AHA Tonic. This one. I've just wiped my skin and there is nothing. So I will do that because this helps to clear the skin. The first time I used this, oh my god, there was so much debris on this, dead skin, dirt, makeup, God knows what. No wonder my skin was breaking out. So the first time I used it, I was like, now I understand why I had breakouts every other day. So what it has is, good lord, what does it have? Well, it has AHAs that AHAs help to exfoliate the skin, but it does it very gently that you don't notice. You'll feel a little bit of a sting, especially the first few days you use it, or the first week you use it, but this has really helped to clear my skin. As you can see, even my face is a bit lighter because I think it's because I use this on my skin, because since I started using it, my skin has just gotten a life of its own. I remember my sister was like, the skin, what's happening? I was like, something. And I've recommended this to so many people, and they have nothing but glowing results with this. So this is the Ready Steady Glow AHA Daily AHA Tonic. So I use that to tone my skin. Since I simplified my skincare routine and I'm only using things that are helping my skin to stay acne free, my next step is also another La Roche-Posay product, which is the Effaclar Duo Plus. I don't know if it's catching. Effaclar Duo Plus, and this is, as you can see, the same range as the Effaclar the cleanser. So this one is an anti-imperfections, anti-marks, corrective, unclogging care. It's anti everything we don't want. So basically what they say, I will read from their website. The active ingredient innovation, anti-red and brown marks efficacy. So it helps your skin, if your skin is red, it helps your skin to calm down, and if you get brown marks like us black people, then it helps your skin to get back its normal color. So they have this Procerade, a patented ceramide that helps protect against the appearance of red or brown marks. That's what helps you. And then they have niacinamide. They have niacinamide is an anti-inflammatory. If you're interested in skincare, I know you already know all these words. Pyropton, olamine to combat bacterial proliferation. I think now this is what helps you to not get more infections or more breakouts. And then they have LHA and salicylic acid for complementary keratolytic actions. I'm thinking this is for removing skin, to help with skin turnover, so you don't have clogged pores. And then they have targeted linoleic acid to regulate keratinocytes and target the follicles. So I don't know what that means, but it sounds very good. This is just what it looks like. It's just a white cream. It's cream. It's a cream, but it's very lightweight cream that absorbs quickly into the skin. You know what it is? Unlike other anti-acne medication or creams, this one does not dry out my skin. It's almost like a cream moisturizer type, and it's not like, when you use benzoyl hydroxide. I think that's what it is. And your skin is just tight and you can't. This is a bit better. It's not oily, but it's not super drying. I really like it for that. I avoid around my eyes. It does say avoid around the eyes because you don't want those places to dry up, or around only my eyes. That's all I care about. Well, when I was having acne, this was prescribed to me by my dermatologist, and different adapalene 0.1. This really helped, although this is quite drying. I'm only telling you the things I'm using now, but this really helped me initially, just to calm my face down. Adapalene, I think, is a retinoid, so it helps with skin turnover as well, and it will calm your skin down and avoid future or reoccurring pimples. I go in with a moisturizer that has nothing to do with acne. I just use this Kiehl's Ultra Facial cream. That's what it looks like. It's been well loved. Well, I like it because it's a nice cream, and it's not oily, it's not heavy. It's like between a gel and a cream. So actually the whole range of Ultra Facial for Kiehl's is very nice, very sensitive, very good for sensitive skin, very good for problematic skin, because it's very lightweight. The whole range, the cleanser and the cream, very good. I've used both of them. Actually I have the cleanser, but right now I'm with my baby. I've actually bought both of these waiting just when they get finished. That's how much I love them, and I don't want to be without them. Even if I try something else, I want to come back to this, but right now we are trying nothing else. And the last thing on my skincare obviously is an SPF. I use this ultraviolet, that's what I would call it, ultraviolet queen screen. This is an Australian brand. It's a queen screen lightweight sunscreen, UVA plus UVB broad spectrum, so SPF 50 plus. So we're going full guns blazing on that. So this is what it looks like. I like it because it's that light, and yeah, it leaves your skin glowing. It almost has like little specks of shine. I don't know if it does actually, but that's how I feel. I feel like I'm shiny. The active ingredients are octyl methyl. Guys, these things are difficult. All I know is it works for my skin even when I have breakouts or whatever. So I really love this. I bought this from Cult Beauty. It's not pricey, maybe. Everything I've actually mentioned in this video is very pocket friendly. You know, I think the most expensive thing is maybe this, and that would be something like 35 pounds max, even 30 pounds. So everything is, well, okay, maybe this, maybe but this is like the big one. It's like you use this for 3 months. So everything is quite affordable, and I'm saying affordable especially if you have acne. You know how much money you use to just buy things. You're either buying this or you're buying that, or someone tells you, oh, this worked for me, and you're buying that. So I'm saying pricey because you can stick to a few things that will not cost you more $200, but then you can use them for months and months. So I think the value is fine for that. Another thing I wanted to talk about was something that was recommended to me by my dermatologist as well. Oh my god, this is disgusting. I very first visited the dermatologist. She prescribed this Skinorene, and I think it's for I hardly used it. You can see it's still there, and that's like how many months ago? Since April, March, April. Skinorene cream, 20%, 30 grams. And this is supposed to help you with the marks. It's supposed to fade away the masks. It's supposed to fade away the marks. So I was to use this twice a day, day and night. I used it a little bit, but I wasn't at the time really bothered about marks. I was more bothered that I wasn't getting any more pimples. I wasn't getting any more breakouts. So I didn't really use this, and I knew if I can stop the breakouts, it will take me time, but I would be able to get rid of the marks. The marks will take time. I can wear makeup if I have to, but generally I don't care. If I have marks and I need to go somewhere, guys, I'm going somewhere. So that was not a big deal for me. But so I can't speak so much about this, but I think it started to fade them away, but I stopped it because I was like, I'm using so many strong things on my face. You know, I have a lot of salicylic acid things. I have, everything is just geared towards active ingredients, you know, super active ingredients. So I stopped that. For my lips, I'm like a lip junkie. So if you want to hear, I can do a whole 30-minute video about lip products. Just lip balms. I use this ultraviolet SPF 50 Shin Screen. So this is the Queen Screen, and this is the Shin Screen Hydrating Lip Balm. Oh my god. This is the Shin Screen Hydrating Lip Balm. This is really good. It's a lip balm. The color is not color, it's just a lip balm. And then another lip balm I really like is from Lips, and this is thicker. This is thicker than this. I don't prefer one over the other. If I wear, I like to wear this during the day because it has color, and if I wear it to bed, then it will stain my bed sheets. I find like little pink marks on the bed sheets, so I don't like that. So I like to use this 101 ointment by Lips, multi-purpose super balm. This doesn't have SPF, so another reason why I use this during the day because of SPF, and I use this at night because no color and no SPF. And that is my Basically my routine: cleanse, tone, apply for the acne things, moisturize. Where's moisturize? Moisturize, kills, sunscreen, always, even if you're in the house, always sunscreen, day lip balm, shin screen, and night lip balm, Lips Super Balm 101 ointment. I also use the Laneige sleeping mask, lip mask at night. So I like I said, lip balms, I'm not choosy. I will use any lip balm, and I have all brands of lip balm with me. So that is my skincare routine for oily and acne prone skin. I'm not too sure I have very oily skin, but I do have oily parts of my face, so maybe combination skin, but this is really good for oily skin. So I hope you have learned something. I hope this helps somebody somewhere. I watched thousands of these videos when I was going through my acne issues, so I hope this really helps someone somewhere to find products or processes that help. But my first step, most important, is just strip out all the extras, all the serums, all the apply this, apply that. No, stick to something very basic like cleanse, tone, treatment, put your treatment, moisturize, put your sunblock, put your lip balm, and you'll be good. Once your skin has come to a place where you're comfortable, then maybe you can start adding all those things if you want to. Personally, I'm quite happy with what I have. Very inexpensive, very effective, and that's what I want in life. So I hope you enjoyed this, guys. See you on the next video. Give me your comments, let me know what you've used or what you like for your, if you have oily skin or if you have acne, or yeah, just let me know. Thank you very much. See you on the next video. Bye.